Today you're going to be testing the absorbency of 5 materials: paper towels, corrugated cardboard, kitchen sponge, cotton balls, and newspaper. How you're going to test for the absorbency of these items is with this kit. So we have a 50 milliliter graduated cylinder filled up to 50 milliliters at this time. 2 cups. The red cup has a hole in the bottom. The blue cup does not have a hole in the bottom. You'll see what we are doing with that in just a moment. And then a bucket. The number on the bucket has no correlation with your groups, so you are not limited to the number on bucket to pick from. Just a quick review. When you're looking at water in a graduated cylinder or any device, you always want to look at the bottom of the meniscus. So water always goes like this in a graduated cylinder or measuring cup, or anytime you're measuring water. That's air pressure pushing down on it. So you want to look at the bottom of the meniscus, not the edge or the top of the meniscus. So there are 4 members of your group. One is data collector, one is timer, one is quality control, and one is water specialist. The timer, quality control, and water specialist will be setting this up and conducting it. So the quality control will be placing the item, this is styrofoam here, into the cup. The water specialist will pour the water into the cup, and once the water is all the way in the cup, the timer will start the stopwatch for 15 seconds. So we're waiting for that item to absorb water for a specific amount of time. All right, it's been 15 seconds, so I'm going to lift the red cup out of the blue cup. Just pouring water out. Tip the cup, because sometimes the water gets pulled up a little bit into the crevices at the bottom of the cup. We're using the larger bucket just to fill up the graduated cylinder. You can certainly hold it above the bucket. We're going to carefully pour it back into the graduated cylinder. And before we had 50 milliliters of water, you're going to measure the amount of water you have now. So it should be on a flat surface. And again, you're looking at the meniscus. And based on this, it looks like it's down possibly a little bit, maybe like 1 milliliter. So that would be the absorbency rate after 15 seconds. After you finish with the experiment, make sure you fill up your graduated cylinder back up to 50 milliliters. Reset all of your objects. And again, your objects that you're testing, your materials, newspaper, cotton balls, kitchen sponge, corrugated cardboard, and paper towels.